You know what's interesting about the stock market right now? Everyone keeps talking about the same companies: NVIDIA, Microsoft, Palantir. But sometimes the biggest opportunities are the companies almost nobody is paying attention to. And one stock that quietly keeps showing up in the AI conversation is Veritone. Ticker symbol VERI. Now the crazy thing is, most people still don't even fully understand what this company does. And honestly, that's exactly why some investors are interested in it. Because in the stock market, people make the biggest money before the crowd arrives, not after. So let's talk about this properly. Not like some fake finance guru trying to sell dreams, just a normal conversation between me and you. Because I genuinely think VERI is one of those stocks that's either going to surprise people massively or completely disappoint them. There's probably no middle ground here. Now first, what does Veritone actually do? At its core, it's an AI company, but not the type building robots or flashy AI apps for normal consumers. Veritone focuses more on enterprise AI, basically helping businesses, media companies, and organizations use AI to process huge amounts of data. Audio, video, text, media files, archives. Their AI helps organize and analyze all of that. Now think about the world we live in today. Every second, millions of videos are uploaded, podcasts are recorded, meetings happen, content gets created, data is exploding everywhere, and honestly, most companies are drowning in information. That's where Veritone comes in. Their whole business is basically let AI understand and organize data faster than humans. And whether people realize it or not, that's actually a very important industry. Now here's why investors suddenly started watching this stock again. AI hype. Simple. Right now, anything connected to AI gets attention. But here's the difference. Some AI companies are pure hype. Veritone at least has an actual business connected to AI infrastructure. That makes it more interesting than random meme stocks. But now let me be honest with you, this is not a safe stock at all. This thing is volatile, and when I say volatile, I mean really volatile. The stock can move aggressively based on AI news, earnings, market sentiment, or even social media hype. That tells you one important thing. VERI is still a speculative stock, not a stable giant. Now personally, I think this is the kind of stock where psychology matters almost as much as fundamentals. Because small-cap AI stocks trade heavily on future expectations. People aren't buying VERI because of what it is today. They're buying because of what it could become. And that's a huge difference. Now let's talk about the bullish side first. Why are some investors excited? Honestly, the opportunity is obvious. If AI keeps growing globally and companies continue adopting automation and data intelligence, then businesses like Veritone could absolutely benefit. Because the world is becoming more AI-driven every year. That trend is real, and I don't think AI demand disappears anytime soon. In fact, I think we're still early. Now here's something most people don't think about. Big AI winners usually look risky in the beginning. Before NVIDIA became a monster stock, most people ignored it. Before Palantir exploded, people called it overhyped too. Now I'm not saying Veritone will become the next NVIDIA. Let's stay realistic. But I am saying small AI companies can surprise people if execution improves. That's why investors keep watching these stocks. Now let's talk about the real risks, because this part matters more than hype. First problem, profitability. Veritone still isn't some giant money-printing machine, and eventually, the market always asks the same question. Can this company actually make sustainable profits? Because hype can push stocks temporarily, but long-term survival comes from execution. Second problem, competition. And honestly, this is huge. AI is becoming one of the most competitive industries on Earth. Massive companies are spending billions on AI. Microsoft, Google, Amazon. These giants are not playing games. So the challenge for Veritone is simple. Can they survive in a market dominated by companies much bigger than them? That's difficult. Very difficult. Now let me tell you my personal opinion. I don't think VERI is a guaranteed winner. But I also think people underestimate how powerful AI infrastructure businesses could become over the next decade. And that's why I can't fully ignore this stock. Because if Veritone somehow improves financially, expands adoption, and rides the AI wave properly, this stock could potentially move much higher from current levels. Now, obviously nobody knows the future. But if bullish momentum returns strongly to small AI stocks, I honestly would not be shocked to see VERI revisit much higher price levels over the next few years. But at the same time, This stock could also struggle badly if execution fails. That's the reality. This is high risk, high reward. Now, I really want your opinion on this. Do you think VERI is actually undervalued right now? Or is this just another AI story stock people are overhyping because of the AI boom? And here's another question. Would you personally take the risk on a small cap AI stock like this? Or would you rather stay with safer companies? Comment your thoughts below. And if you want me to break down another hidden AI stock next, just comment next stock.